Hey, this is lesson 2. We're going to learn some fundamental vocabulary and practice writing very short summaries. Text 1 has some vocabulary that you'll find very useful for this course and your major. I'm going to upload this. It'll be available also. I won't go through each word, but you can see that there are many words that are going to be very useful for you. And each word has a definition and some synonyms and some word families as in adjectives and antonyms. So there's a lot of useful information there because, some words can be nouns and verbs and adjectives, etc. Okay, so text 1 is about Homeland Security. I will read it for you now. Homeland Security is an American national security term for the national effort to ensure a homeland that is safe, secure, and resilient against terrorism and other hazards, where national goals and way of life can grow and continue. It is the national effort to prevent terrorist attacks within the national borders, reduce the vulnerability of the country to terrorism, and minimize the damage from attacks that do occur. However, Homeland Security is not limited to terrorist attacks. Terrorism is one of many threats that endanger society. Homeland Security also includes both natural disasters and man-made events. Thus, the domain of Homeland Security must accommodate many situations ranging from natural disasters, for example, Hurricane Katrina, Irma, to acts of terrorism, for example, the Boston Marathon bombing, World Trade Center bombing. Okay, now for a comprehension check. What is the purpose of this text? And there are 4 choices. To describe various types of terrorism, to define the term Homeland Security, to explain how natural disasters affect security, and none of the above. Question number 2, one goal of Homeland Security is to keep a country blank, and then you have to fill in the blank. And number 3 is Homeland Security deals not only with counterterrorism, but also with blank. Okay, for the summary, a good summary is much shorter than the original text. Because it's much shorter because it includes only the main ideas or the writer's most important ideas and leaves out examples and elaboration on main ideas. A good summary also uses original language that is not copied from the source text. It should be paraphrased, and later we'll do some more paraphrasing activities. Okay, now take a look at this summary of text 1. Does it meet all the requirements of a good summary? And could you improve it? Text 1 summary. This text is an extended definition of the term Homeland Security. One goal of Homeland Security is to keep a country shielded from danger and quick to recover after a disaster. Homeland Security deals with not only counterterrorism, but also with natural and man-made adverse events.